Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. General passage on sports. Dictation exercise number 10. Speed 100 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Indian traditional sports hold a significant place in the country's heritage, showcasing its cultural depth and historical evolution. Games such as Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, Mallakhambh, Kushti, Indian wrestling, and Gilli Danda have been played for generations, fostering discipline, teamwork, and physical endurance. However, despite their rich legacy, these sports face numerous challenges that hinder their growth, popularity, and sustainability. In contrast to modern international sports, traditional Indian games struggle with issues like poor infrastructure, inadequate financial support, limited career opportunities, and a lack of global recognition. These drawbacks have prevented them from reaching their full potential and gaining widespread acceptance in the contemporary sporting world. One of the major obstacles in the promotion of Indian traditional sports is the lack of adequate infrastructure and professional training facilities. Unlike cricket, football, or badminton, which have well-developed academies, stadiums, and structured training programs, traditional sports often rely on makeshift arrangements. Many of these games are played in rural areas, where access to modern facilities and coaching techniques is minimal. The absence of scientifically designed training programs and proper nutrition plans further limits the athletic growth of players. As a result, despite having immense raw talent, athletes in traditional sports struggle to compete at the highest level. Moreover, the lack of structured school and college-level competitions means that these sports do not receive the kind of grassroots development that modern sports enjoy. Without proper infrastructure and systematic training, the long-term sustainability of traditional sports remains a challenge. Another critical drawback is the limited financial investment and lack of sponsorship opportunities in traditional Indian sports. Unlike cricket, which enjoys massive corporate backing, traditional sports fail to attract large-scale funding. The financial struggles faced by athletes in these sports discourage many from pursuing them as full-time careers. Prize money, salaries, and sponsorships remain low, making it difficult for players to sustain themselves solely through these sports. Even though the government has introduced schemes to promote indigenous sports, the execution is often inefficient, and funds do not always reach deserving athletes. Additionally, mainstream media tends to focus more on international and commercially successful sports, leaving traditional games with minimal exposure. The absence of high-profile leagues and tournaments further restricts their reach, making it difficult for them to gain widespread popularity. Without strong financial backing, these sports continue to remain in the shadows, unable to compete with globally recognized disciplines. Furthermore, Indian traditional sports suffer from a lack of global exposure and standardization, preventing them from being recognized at an international level. Unlike sports such as basketball or tennis, which have well-defined global federations and standardized rules, many Indian traditional games still follow regional variations. The absence of uniform regulations makes it difficult to introduce these games in global sporting events like the Olympics or the Commonwealth Games. While Kabaddi has gained some recognition through leagues and international tournaments, most other traditional sports have failed to make a mark beyond India's borders. Additionally, the rise of digital entertainment, esports, and Western sports has further diminished the appeal of traditional games among the younger generation. As modern lifestyles shift towards technology-driven entertainment, traditional sports face the risk of being forgotten. Unless serious efforts are made to promote, modernize, and globalize these games, they may continue to decline, taking away a crucial part of India's rich sporting heritage. Stop.